Arrive in style with this Lincoln 2017 MKZ Reserve. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle's top features include navigation system, roof panoramic, all-wheel drive, seat-heated driver, leather seats, power seats, seats air-conditioned heated, power driver seat and power passenger seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.